हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों का मेरे चैनल लर्न 3 वर्ड में एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो होने वाली ही बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि लगभग मैं इसमें उन 500 इंग्लिश वर्ड्स के बारे में बताऊंगा जो कि हम डेली यूज़ करते हैं, वो भी इसकी हिंदी मीनिंग और एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ। दोस्तों, अगर आपने मेरा अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो यार प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकॉन दबाइए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेल, अच्छी तरह से। यू नो मी सो वेल। ओनली, केवल। यू आर ओनली हेयर बूज आई नो। दोज, वो। दोज कोड बिलोंग टू माई फ्रेंड। टेल, बताना। कैन यू टेल मी योर प्रोफेशन। वन, एक। शी इज द वन ही हैज़ बीन वेटिंग फॉर। वेरी, बहुत ज़्यादा। यू आर वेरी क्लेवर। हर, उसका। हर फादर इज ए बिजनेसमैन। इवन, यहाँ तक। ही कांट इवन स्टैंड ऑन हिज ओन। बैक, वापस। आई विल बी राइट बैक। एनी, कोई भी। हैव यू हैड एनी लक ऑन योर रिसर्च। गुड, अच्छा। ही इज अ गुड पर्सन। वुमेन, महिला। दैट्स वुमेन लुक सो हंग्री। थ्रो, के माध्यम से। योर लॉयल्टी विल सी यू थ्रू टफ टाइम्स। अस, उनमें से। डू यू वांट टू लीव दिस प्लेस विथ अस। लाइफ, जीवन। द लाइफ ऑफ अ कॉमन मैन इज वेरी हार्ड। चाइल्ड, बच्चा। आई सॉ अ ब्लाइंड चाइल्ड क्रॉस द स्ट्रीट बाय हिमसेल्फ। देयर, वहाँ। डिड यू गो देयर। वर्क, कार्य। आई हैव नो वर्क एट दिस टाइम। डाउन, नीचे। लेट्स गो डाउन। में, आज्ञा पाना या सकना। यू मे गो नाउ। आफ्टर, बाद में। लेट्स हैव वर्क आफ्टर डिनर। शुड, चाहिए। शुड आई बाय दिस मोबाइल। कॉल, पुकार या बुलावा। कॉल मी व्हेन यू गेट मार्केट, ओके। वर्ड, संसार या दुनिया। नो वन परफेक्ट इन दिस वर्ड। ओवर, ऊपर। आई कांट वेट फॉर दिस मीटिंग टू बी ओवर। स्कूल, विद्यालय। माई डॉटर गोज टू स्कूल हेयर। स्टिल, फिर भी। आई स्टिल थिंक यू शुड लीव नाउ। ट्राई, प्रयास करना। आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई टू डू दिस जॉब। इन, में। व्हाट्स इन दैट बैग। एज, जैसा। एज सुन एज आई गेट होम आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट कुकिंग फूड। लास्ट, अंतिम। दिस इज माई लास्ट चांस टू विन दिस गेम। आस्क, कहना। कैन यू आस्क द वेटर टू ब्रिंग अस सम स्नैक्स। नीड, जरूरत। आई नीड सम हेल्प। टू, अत्यधिक। आई नीड सम वाटर टू। फील, महसूस करना। आई फील सो टायर्ड आई जस्ट नीड टू रिलैक्स। थ्री, तीन। आई हैव 3 शर्ट्स। व्हेन, कब या जब। व्हेन वॉज द लास्ट डे यू सॉ हिम। नेवर, कभी नहीं। आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू ईट चॉकलेट अगेन। बिकम, बनना। ओवर द ईयर्स वी हैव बिकम मोर क्लोज। बिटवीन, के बीच। दिस इज जस्ट बिटवीन अस। हाई, उच्च। द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ लास्ट मंथ इज टू हाई। रियली, सच में या क्या सच में। आई रियली लाइक योर कॉफ़ी। समथिंग, कुछ। आई हैव समथिंग फॉर यू। मोस्ट, सबसे अधिक। He is the most beautiful boy I have ever seen. Much, बहुत. I love you so much. Another, एक और. I will have another glass of water, please. Family, परिवार. You are like family to me. Own, खुद का. I want to get my own chair. Out, बाहर. Get out of my room. Leave, I leave this house tomorrow. Once, एक बार. I once had a cat named Lucy. White, सफ़ेद. I love my white shoes. Least, कम से कम. He is the least productive among all the employees. President, अध्यक्ष. He was our bar president in 1998. Learn, सीखना या पढ़ना. I had loved to learn more about the Russian language. Real, सही. What is your real name? Team, किसी विशेष कार्य के लिए समूह. This football team is the best team. Best, सबसे अच्छा. This is the best tomato salad I have ever tasted. Several, बहुत सारे. I have several old shoes to wear. Idea, उपाय. This is your idea to go to the library. Kid, बच्चे. I love small kids. Body, शरीर. She worked out hard to achieve a slim body. Information, सूचना. This is the information I need. Nothing, कुछ नहीं. There is nothing we can do now. Ago, पूर्व. 3 years ago, I visited India for the first time. Right, तब तक. You are right. I want to go back there. Social, सामाजिक. I feel awkward in these social gatherings. Understand, समझना. I understand how you feel. Whether, यदि या अगर. Whether in big groups or small groups, I always feel a little shy at first. Back, पीछे. Looking back, I knew I was always a loyal person. Watch, पहरा या निगरानी. Let's watch the sunset. Together, एक साथ. We are together now. Follow, अनुसरण करना. I will follow you home. Around, चारों ओर. You will always have me around. Parent, अभिभावक. Every parent is trying hard and doing their best. Only, केवल. You are only allowed to go out today. Stop, रोकना. Please stop this. Face, चेहरा. His face is very dull. Anything, कुछ भी. You can ask me for anything. Create, बनाना. Did you create the presentation? It was so good. Public, लोग या लोगों की. This is a public property. Already, पहले से. I already asked him to resend his representation. Speak, कहना. Could you speak a little louder? Others, दूसरों का. The other haven't arrived yet. Read, पढ़ना. I read somewhere that this house is haunted. Level, स्तर. What level are you in that game? Allow, इजाज़त. Do you allow your kids to play outside the house? Add, जोड़ना. Is it okay if we add a bit of salt to the soup? ऑफिस, दफ्तर, वेलकम टू माई ऑफिस। स्पेंड, खर्च करना, हाउ मच मनी डिड यू स्पेंड ऑन योर लास्ट शॉपिंग। डोर, दरवाजा, यू लेफ्ट द डोर ओपन। हेल्थ, स्वास्थ्य, यू मस्ट टेक गुड केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ। पर्सन, व्यक्ति, ही इज अ गुड पर्सन। आर्ट, कला, दिस इज माई वर्क ऑफ आर्ट। सच, ऐसा, यू आर सच अ ब्रेव लिटिल मैन। इंटरनेशनल, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय, देयर ब्रांड हैज गॉन इंटरनेशनल। बिल्डिंग, इमारत, दिस बिल्डिंग इज सो टॉल। एक्शन, कार्य, यू नेक्स्ट एक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी क्रिटिकल। फुल, पूरा, माई वर्कलोड इज सो फुल नाउ। मॉडल, नमूना, a great leader is a great model of how to do things. Join, जुड़ना, he wants to join the soccer team. Season, मौसम, winter is my favorite season. Society, समाज, their society is holding a fundraiser. Because, क्योंकि, I am going home because my brother needs me. Tax, कर, how much is your current income tax? Position, स्थिति या पद, please position your hand properly when writing. Player, खिलाड़ी, that basketball player is very intelligent. Agree, मानना, I agree, he is calm. Especially, विशेष रूप से, I especially like his brown hair. Record, अभिलेख, can we record the minutes of this meeting please? Pick, चुनना, did you pick a book cover already? Wear, पहनना, is that what you are going to wear for the party? Paper, कागज, you can use a special paper for your invitations. Special, सबसे अलग, some special paper are even scented. स्पेस यानी जगह, प्लीज लीव सम स्पेस टू राइट डाउन योर फोन नंबर। ग्राउंड, सतह या जमीन, द ग्राउंड इज वेट। फॉर्म, बनाना या निर्माण होना, अ न्यू आइलैंड वाज फॉर्म्ड आफ्टर दैट बिग अर्थक्वेक। सपोर्ट, साथ देना, I need your support for my homework. Event, प्रतिस्पर्धा, घटना या वित्रांत, we are holding a small event tonight. Official, आधिकारिक, our official wedding photos are out. Whose, किसका, whose pen is this? मैटर, मामला, what the matter is going on. Everyone means हर कोई, everyone thinks I am smoker. Center means बीच में, I hate being the center of attention. Couple, जोड़ा, द कपल इज ऑन देयर हनीमून नाउ। स्पेस, जगह, प्लीज लीव सम स्पेस टू राइट डाउन योर एड्रेस। साइट यानी स्थल, दिस साइट इज सो स्मॉल। एंड मीन्स समाप्त, इट्स द एंड ऑफ एन एरा। प्रोजेक्ट मीन्स परियोजना, दिस प्रोजेक्ट फाइल इज ड्यू टुमारो। हिट मीन्स प्रहार, ही हिट द burglar with a bat। Base, आधार, all moms are their child's home base। Activity, गतिविधि, what musical activity can you suggest for my music album? Star, तारा, my daughter can draw a star। Table means maze, I saw him draw it while he was writing on the table। Need, आवश्यकता या जरूरत, I need to enroll him to a good college। Court, न्यायालय, the Supreme Court is the superior court of our country। Eat means खाना, I could eat that all day। टीच, पढ़ाना या सिखाना, आई लव टू टीच हिंदी लेसन्स। ऑयल, तेल, कुड यू बाय मी सम कुकिंग ऑयल एट द स्टोर। हाफ, आधा, जस्ट हाफ अ लीटर प्लीज। सिचुएशन मीन्स परिस्थिति, द सिचुएशन इज गेटिंग आउट ऑफ हैंड। Easy, आसान, I thought you said this was going to be easy। Close, बंद करना, please close the door। Thousand, हजार, there are 1,000 reasons to learn English। Risk, जोखिम, taking a risk can be rewarding। करंट, मौजूदा, हाल का, व्हाट इज योर करंट लोकेशन। फायर मीन्स अग्नि या आग, मेक्स योर स्मोक अलार्म वर्क इन केस ऑफ फायर। फ्यूचर, भविष्य, द फ्यूचर इज फुल ऑफ होप। रॉन्ग मीन्स गलत, दैट इज द रॉन्ग वे। इन्वॉल्व, शामिल, वी नीड टू इन्वॉल्व द पुलिस। डिफेंस, सुरक्षा, व्हाट इज योर डिफेंस और रीजन यू डिड दिस। एनीवन मीन्स कोई भी, डज एनीवन नो दैट वेयर इज माई पेन। इंक्रीज मीन्स बढ़ना, लेट्स इंक्रीज योर टेस्ट स्कोर। सिक्योरिटी मीन्स सुरक्षा या बचाव, सम अपार्टमेंट बिल्डिंग्स हैव सिक्योरिटी। बैंक, आई नीड टू गो टू द बैंक टू क्लोज माई अकाउंट। माई सेल्फ, अपने को, आई कैन क्लीन अप बाय माई सेल्फ। सर्टेनली, निश्चित रूप से, आई कैन सर्टेनली हेल्प क्लीन अप। वेस्ट मीन्स पश्चिम, इफ यू ड्राइव वेस्ट यू विल अराइव इन मुंबई। स्पोर्ट, खेल, माई फेवरेट स्पोर्ट इज क्रिकेट। बोर्ड, बोर्ड या मंडल, कैन यू सी दिस वाइट बोर्ड। सीक मीन्स ढूंढना, सीक एंड यू विल फाइंड। पर मीन्स प्रति, My car speed is 120 km per hour. Subject means विषय. My favorite subject is Hindi. Officer means अधिकारी. He is now a police officer. Private निजी. This is a private area. Rest रुकना या आराम करना. Let's take a 15-minute rest. Behavior means बर्ताव. This dog's behavior is excellent. Deal means सौदा. A used car can be a good deal. Performance means प्रदर्शन. Your performance can be affected by your sleep. Fight means लड़ाई करना. I don't want to fight with you. Throw means फेंकना. Throw me the ball. Top ऊपर या उच्च. You are a top employee. Quickly means जल्दी से. Let's finish reading this quickly. Past means पूर्व. In the past, my Hindi was not as good as it was today. Goal means उद्देश्य. My goal is to speak English fluently. Second means दूसरा. My second goal is to buy a house. Bed means बिस्तर. I go to bed around 10 p.m. Order means आदेश. I would like to order a mobile phone. Camera. I use the CCTV camera on my room. Structure means ढांचा. The building structure is solid. Politics राजनीति. He is very active in politics. Perform means प्रदर्शन. The singer will perform tonight. Bit means थोड़ा सा. I rained a little bit last morning. Weight भार. Keep track of your child weight. Suddenly means एकाएक. The storm came up suddenly. Candidate means उम्मीदवार. There are 10 candidates for the position. Trip means यात्रा. We are taking a trip to Thailand in January. Evening means शाम. I am staying home this evening. Affect means को प्रभावित. My bank account will affect how much I can buy. Inside means अंदर का. The dog stays inside. Conference means सम्मेलन. I am busy in conference now. Unit means इकाई. A foot is a unit of measure. Best means सबसे अच्छा. Those are the best apples to buy. Style means अंदाज. My watch is out of style. Adult means बालिग. Adults pay full price but children are free. Worry means चिंता. Don't worry, I am with you. Range means सीमा या श्रेणी. My doctor offered me a range of options. Mention means उल्लेख. Can you mention me in your book? Rather means बल्कि. Rather than focusing on the bad things, let's go for the good things. Far means दूर. I don't want to move far from my family. Deep means गहरा. That poem about life is deep. Front means सामने. Please stand front of us. Edge means धार या किनारा. Please do not stand so close to the edge of the roof. Individual व्यक्तिगत या विशिष्ट. These potato chips are in an individual serving size package. Specific means विशिष्ट. Could you be more specific? Writer means लेखक. He is a good writer. Trouble means मुसीबत या संकट. Stay out of trouble. Necessary means जरूरत. It is necessary to sleep. Throughout सर्वत्र या हर जगह. Throughout my life I have always enjoyed watching TV. Challenge means ललकारना. I challenge you can't do this. Fear means डर. Do you have any fears? Shoulder means कंधा. You do not have to shoulder all the work on your own. Institution means संस्था. Have you attended any institution of higher learnings? Middle यानी बीच का. I am a middle child with one older brother and one younger sister. Sea means समुद्र. I want to sail the 7 seas. Dream means सपना. I have a dream. Bar या मैखाना. A bar is a place where liquor is served. Beautiful means सुंदर. She is very beautiful. Property means संपत्ति. Do you own property like a house? Instead means बजाय. Instead of eating food, I will have fruits. Improve means सुधारना. I am always looking for ways to improve. Stuff means सामग्री. When I moved, I realized I have a lot of stuff. Claim यानी दावा करना. I claim to be a fast reader, but actually I am average. Be means होना. Will you be my best friend? And means or. You and I will always be friends. Of means का. Today is the 1st of December. A means एक. I saw a lion today. In means अंदर. She is in her room. To से तक के लिए या सेवा. Let's go to the market. Have means रखना या पास रखना या होना. I have a few flowers. To means अत्यधिक. I like her too. It means यह या वह. It is cloudy outside. I means मैं. I really like it here. That means उस या ताकि या की. That window is open. For means के लिए. This book is for you. You means तुम. You are really charming. He means वो या ये. He is my brother. With means के साथ. I want to go with him. On means में या पर. I watch movies on my mobile. Do means करना. What will you do now? Say means कहना. Can I say something? This means यह. This is my favorite book. They means ये या वो. They are full. At means पे या पर. Can you pick me up at the bus station? But means लेकिन पर परंतु. I am sorry but he is away. We means हम. We are going to watch a movie. From means से. This card came from my cousin. That means ये. That's a really nice trick. Not means नहीं. That's not what I want. Can't means नहीं कर सकना. I can't close it. By means से. Will you come by and talk me? She means वो. She is very happy. Or means yeah. Do you like blue or red? As means की तरह. His role as an English teacher is very important. What क्या. What are you thinking of? Go जाना. I want to go there. There उसकी. This is their car. Can means कर सकना. What can I do for you? Who means कौन. Who can help me? Get means लेना या देना. Can you get me my pen? If means यदि. What if I fail? Would means चाहेंगे, जो होना चाहता था. Would you help me out? All means सभी. All my favorite books are on this shelf. My means मेरा. My mom is coming to visit. Make means बनाना. Can we make our project together? About means के बारे में. What is this movie about? Know means जानना. Do you know where this place is? Will means मर्जी. I will help you find that place. As means जैसे या जब या जैसा. As soon as he's here, I will talk to his. Up means ऊपर. I live up in the mountains. Kind means दयालु. Always be kind, even to strangers. 4 means 4. There are 4 seasons in a year. Head means सिर या ऊपरी सिरा. Let's head back. It is freezing out here. Far means दूर. We have gone too far and now we are lost. Black means kala. She has long black hair. Long means lambe. She has long black hair. Both means dono. They both have cold coffee. Little means chota. I have two little boys. Yes means हाँ. I hope you say yes. After means बाद में. After all this time, I has finally learned to love. Since means तब से. This story is open since 1990. Long means लंबा. That was such a long time ago. Provide means प्रदान करना. Please provide me with a list of your services. Service means सेवा. Do you have a specific dental service to treat this? Around means लगभग. We went around the block. Friend दोस्त या मित्र. You are a good friend. Important means जरूरी. You are important to us. Father means पिता. My father is a noble person. Sit means बैठना. Let's sit outside together. Away means हटना या किनारे होना. He is away right now. Until means जब तक. Until when will you be away? Hour means घंटा. I have been checking sea's temperature every hour. Game means खेल. Let's play a game. Often means अक्सर. I buy from his store as often as I can. At means अब तक. He's not at home. Line means लकीर. There is a long line at the liquor cashier. Political means राजनीतिक. I stay away from political discussions. End means समाप्त. It's the end of an era. Among means के बीच में. Among all my pets, he is my most favorite. Ever means हमेशा. Have you ever tried this cake? Stand खड़े होना. Can you stand still for a minute? Bad means बुरा. What you did was so bad. Lose means खोना या छोड़ देना. I can't lose you. However means हालांकि. I want to buy this book. However, I need to save up it first. Member means सदस्य. She is a member of the Babysitters Club. Pay means अदा करना. Let's pay for our groceries. Law means कानून. There is a law against cybercrime. Meet means मिलना. I want you to meet my aunt. Car. Let's go inside my car. City means शहर. This is the city that never sleeps. Almost means लगभग. I am almost done with my report. Include means के साथ. Did you remember to include the summary in your report card? Continue means लगातार. Can we continue working today? Set means समूह. Great, let me set an appointment for you. Later means बाद में. I will finish it later. Community means समुदाय. Our community is very tight knit. Much means ज़्यादा. There is so much to learn in the Hindi language. Name means नाम. What is your name? Six means 6. I can give you 6 reasons why you need to watch that video. War means युद्ध. The war has finally ended. History means इतिहास. He is my history professor. Party. Are you going to her party tonight? Within means अंदर के. We support everyone within our community. Grow means बढ़ना. We want everyone to grow and thrive in their careers. Result means परिणाम. This year, the result of our college is amazing. Open means खुला होना. Are you open to teaching on weekends? Change means बदलना. Where can we change her diaper? Morning means सुबह. It's such a beautiful morning. Reason means कारण. You are the reason I came here. लो कम होना या निम्न स्तर पे. His blood pressure has gotten really low. Win means जीत. We can win this match if we work together. Research means अनुसंधान. How is your research going? Girl means लड़की. That girl is in my class. गाय किसी लड़का या लड़की को संबोधित करना. I have seen that guy in school before. Early means जल्दी. I come to work so early every day. Food means खाना. Let's give me some food. I am hungry. Before means पहले. Can I talk to you before you go home? Moment means पल. The moment he walked in the room, his puppy started to jump and dance again. Himself means खुद को. He cooked this biryani himself. Air means हवा या वायु. I am loving the cold night air here. Teacher means शिक्षक. You are the best teacher ever. Force means जोर देना या ताकत से. Don't force her to play with other kids. Offer means मौका देना. Can I offer you a ride home? Enough means ज़्यादा. Boys, that enough playing for today. Both means साथ. You both need to change into your sleep clothes now. Education means शिक्षा. I just want you to get the best education. Across means पार करना. Your dog ran across the road. Although means हालांकि. Although he felt tired, he still couldn't sleep. Remember means याद रखना. Do you think she will still remember me after 10 years? Foot means पैर. Her foot got caught in one of the ropes. Second means दूसरा. This is the second time she got late this month. Maybe means शायद. Maybe we can have sweets for dessert. Towards means की ओर. He took a step towards her. Able means कर सकना या सक्षम. Will you be able to send me your health report today? Policy means नीति. They have an amazing return policy. Everything means सब कुछ. Everything is on discount rate. Love means प्रेम. I love my parents. Process means प्रक्रिया. Wait, give me time to process everything we are telling. Music means संगीत. I love music. Including means मिला के. Around 20 people attended, including Bob and Beth. Consider means विचार करना. I hope you consider my proposal. Appear means दिखाना. How did that appear out of nowhere? Actually means वास्तव में. I am actually just heading out. Buy means खरीदना या क्रय करना. I am going to buy these shoes. Probably means शायद. He is probably still asleep. Human means मनुष्य. Give him a break, he is only human. Themselves means खुद से. They can take care of themselves. Role means अभिनय. He is going to play the role of Lord Sri Ram. Better means अच्छा. Your singing has gotten so much better. Economic means अर्थव्यवस्था. Some countries are facing an economic crisis. Effort means कोशिश. The government must make an effort to solve this problem. Up means ऊपर. His grades have gone up. Decide means फैसला लेना. Please decide what you eat. Rate दाम या मूल्य. How would you rate the hotel service? Strong means मजबूत. They have a strong customer relation service here. Possible means मुमकिन. Maybe it is possible to change their bathroom amenities. Heart means दिल. My heart is so full. Drug means दवा. He got the patient for the drug he has created to cure cancer. Show means दिखाना. Can you show me how you do this? Leader means नेता. You are a wonderful leader. Light means प्रकाश. Watch her face light up when you mention his name. Voice means आवाज. Hearing his mom's voice in all he needs right now. Wool means पूरा. I have the wool house to myself. Finally means अंत में. I can finally move out from my old house. Pull means खींचना. My baby niece like to pull my hair. Return means वापस करना. I give her tickets in return. Free means मुफ्त. The best thing in life are free. Military means फौज. His brother is in the military. According means की तरह. According to the weather report, it is going to rain today. Decision means फैसला. This is a big decision for us. Explain means व्याख्या करना. I will explain everything later, I swear. Hope means आशा. I hope I will have a son one day. Even means यहाँ तक. Even if they have broken up, they still remain friends. Develop means विकास. This rash could develop into something more serious. View means दृश्य. This view is amazing. Relationship means संबंध. They have taken their relationship to the next level. Carry means ले जाना. Can you carry my bag? Town means नगर. This town is extremely quiet. Drive means गाड़ी चलाना. Can you drive this car? Arm means हाथ. He broke his arm during practice. True means सच. It's true, I am leaving the company. Break means तोड़ना. Don't break the queue. Better means ठीक से या अच्छे से. You better learn how to follow rules. Thank means धन्यवाद. I forget to thank her for the pen she sent us. Receive means प्राप्त करना. Did you receive the pen I sent you? Value means कीमत. I value your friendship so much. Operation. The mining operation employs thousands of people. Crime means अपराध. The police fight crime. Stage means मंच. A caterpillar is the larval stage of butterfly. Okay means ठीक है. It's okay. Compare means तुलना करना. We should compare motorbikes before we buy one. Authority means अधिकार. City authorities make the local laws. Miss means याद करना. I miss you, Mom. Design. We need to design a new logo. One means एक. I only have one cat. Knowledge means ज्ञान. Do you have the knowledge of English language? Station means station. There is a train station close to my house. Strategy means रणनीति. Our new corporate strategy is written here. Put means रखना. Please put down that book and listen to me. Country means Desh. India is a beautiful country.